So today's video is going to be unboxing and range review of my new Ruger MAX-9. I got the Hogue edition with the finger groove, and the reason I got this, I like my Taurus G2C, but the sights I never cared for and they're a little harder for me to see now. This has a tritium high-vis sight and blacked out rear. It's a lot easier for me to see. Feels great in the hand. Front serrations, rear serrations, optics ready. It has a nice crisp trigger pull. We're going to see what kind of accuracy and reliability we get out of this. Come with your instructions, cable lock, some steel inserts for the optic, and two 10-round magazines. These come with the flat base plate, but also the one with the pinky extension on there. So we're going to see how this functions. We're going to shoot around 7 feet contact distance, 5-shot slow fire, back up to about 12-15 feet, do the same thing, and then a rapid fire, 5 rounds to see what combat accuracy we get. And then we're going to shoot some steel, and then I'll give my final thoughts, but let's see what it'll do. So my final thoughts on the MAX-9, I like it a whole bunch. It feels great in my hands. It naturally points where I want it to shoot. Besides ergonomics, I love the sights on it. That was the deciding factor in that gun for me. Just like everything about it. The one thing I don't like about it is the takedown. It has a little door, little lever you got to push down and kind of hold it back just 1/8 of an inch, and then get a punch and push the retaining pin out from the other side. It's not too much, but I prefer a Glock style takedown. Can pull it back with one hand and disassemble it, but that's really small gripe. Everything else about it I like. It's accurate, it's reliable, it's lightweight, it's all around good gun. So thumbs up on it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. Thanks for watching.